Less than 48 hours, UpRock is going to be listing on Jupe, and as you can see, I have 34 UPT here. So if you've been voting, you will get some UPT. But if you've not been voting, there's a way to mine this for free, and I think that is using the UpRock app. So what you do is you download the app. You can check the referral link in the description, and then what you do is after downloading the app and setting it up, you're going to see something like start mining. So if I click this start mining, I make up to 0.00444 UPT per hour. Okay, so if I accumulate this on the listing day, I can make withdrawals to my wallet, and I just believe this is going to be on for some times, for a while. So I will advise you guys to keep mining, and then you can easily withdraw or sell some other time. So I think you get up to 5 UPT per referral. So if you have people to refer, you can speed things up like that. Just make sure you check the description for more, and wait for claiming on Jupe in few days, and then you can sell your mine UPT. So make sure you download this app and start mining now.